Saving starts with internet and wireless from Xfinity. Get a great low price on fast, reliable internet. Plus, add Xfinity Mobile with 5G included and save up to 4.
Active shooter in progress. The following message is transmitted at the request of Adams County Emergency Management. There is an active shooter currently in Uniata, Nebraska around the North Brass area. Shelter in place immediately. Shelter in place immediately and lock all windows and doors. This is for the Uniata area and 2 miles east of Uniata, Nebraska.